Hello everybody, how's it going? Our lesson today about assignment operators. So let's go and see what is assignment operators. Alright, we have here variable a equal 10, b equal 20, and we have here the operator of assignment operators equal, plus equal, minus equal, multiply equal, divide equal, and mod equal. So here we have example a equal 5. Everybody already know it. Equivalent to a equal 5, which means you assign the new value or this number 5 to the variable a, which means the compiler will replace the value of variable a 10 and will make it 5 because we use one equal. If you use equal equal double equal, this is something else, and I'll explain it in future lessons. And here we have a plus equal b. When you see in the code a plus equal b, which means the developer use assignment operators, is short, or it's exactly like it's short to this line of code a equal a plus b. A equal a plus b. If you want to write it shortly, a plus equal b. This assignment operator, it's plus equal plus equal. It's same exactly a equal a plus b. And same with the minus, a minus equal b. It's a, same exactly like a equal a minus b. A multiply equal b, same exactly like a equal a multiply b. And same with division, same with the mod. So we have this program, integer a equal 10, b equal 20, a plus equal b. It's same exactly as we said, a equal a plus b. So if we print here or we do run to this program, compiler will give us here 30. If we print a, it will has 30 already. Why? Because a 10 plus b, 10 plus 20 is 30, so a, it will store inside it 30. And here a minus equal b is same exactly like a equal a minus b. A, it's already stored inside the 30 from the previous line of code. So 30 minus 20, the compiler will give us 10. And same here with the multiply, division in the middle. And let's go to Visual Studio now, and let's go to understand, run this program to understand the code more better. Right, this is our program, integer a equal 10, b equal 20, a plus equal b. We use here plus equal, minus equal, multiply equal, divide equal, mod equal. This assignment operator as we explained in the slides. A plus equal b, same exactly as we said, a equal a plus b. So 10 plus b, 30. 10 the value of the variable a, 20 the value of the variable b. So 10 plus 20 is 30. We'll assign it and store it inside the variable a. So a, if we print it now, we do run to this program, a should give us 30. And after that, a minus equal b. Don't forget that a it's already 30. So 30 minus 20, because a minus equal b is same exactly like a equal a minus b. So 30 minus 20, it will give us 10. So let's do first run to this program to explain it with the result. Perfect. The first one, a plus equal b, which is exactly like a equal a plus b, is give us 30 as we said. So when we print it, we do run, a is give us 30 because 10 plus 20 is 30. And after that, it's stored inside the 30. So 30 minus 20 is give us 10. So the compiler second result, it's 10. The a is stored inside the 10 because 30 minus equal b, which is 20b, same exactly like a equal a minus b. 30 minus 20 is give us 10. And now 10, it has 10. So 10 multiply 20, a multiply equal 20, same exactly like a equal a multiply 20, it give us 200, and 200 divided 20, it give us 10, and 10 mod 20, it give us 10. Thanks for watching, and I want you to practice. I know this lesson is easy, the previous lesson easy, and also the lessons before it was easy, but I want you to practice a lot, because sometimes when you practice, you forget semicolon, you forget equal, you forget any assignment operator. So the compiler give you error, and you go to read the errors, so you get used about how to read error, how to fix your code. It's important to practice. Please don't just watch me. Practice is so much important. That was the lesson of today, and thanks you again for watching. See you next lesson. Ciao.